how can we install Atlas V2 email marketing software. So first of all, download and extract the file, and I'm now extract the file. So after extract the file, open the file, then install the file before shortcut. So how can I shortcut? From the option before install shortcut. Okay, after shortcut, install for right left button and more info and run away. Click and then say the code, product code, and give me WhatsApp. Then I will give you license key. So if you get from me reseller panel, so then you should open the file and click the option, and you will see the activation panel, and here the option add client, new client. So from the option I will add new client name and email ID, and I will input here the product code, and from the product code I will create a activation code. Just wait. I will now 1 year validity. Generate the key and copy the key. Then key I will give you on your WhatsApp number. Then copy the code and paste here. Right now activated Atlas Sender V2, and shortcut the option copy on your desktop. Then from the desktop you can do easily open the tools. Okay, and now I'm click the tools and you will see the interface. So if you want more tools, please visit our website. Thank you.